Key rules are added to treatment plan outcomes in order to automate assessment keys for grid notes based on intervention values entered. By adding key rules to outcomes, you can ensure that assessment keys are marked correctly and efficiently by your staff when completing notes. To start the process of adding key rules to treatment plans, go to Clients and search for the client record. Open the record and go to the treatment section. Find the outcomes for which you'd like to add the assessment key rules. Click on the outcome and scroll to the bottom to find the key rules section. Click Add to begin configuring the rules. Based on the way the outcome is written, enter your intervention values. For example, this outcome is expected to be completed with 3 or less verbal prompts. Select your intervention of verbal prompt and choose the corresponding value. If verbal prompts are equal to or less than 3, the corresponding assessment would be equal to goal met. Place an X in the value to mark the assessment key of goal met. Continue adding accordingly. If 4 or more verbal prompts were used to address the goal, the assessment would be goal not met. If the goal was done independently and no verbal prompts were required, the assessment would be goal met. Likewise, if the goal was refused, the assessment would be goal not met. Continue adding rules according to your intervention and assessment keys, considering how the goal itself is written. Configuring these key rules will make the note writing process much easier for the staff. They simply focus on entering the values against the intervention keys, and the system will automate the corresponding assessment value based on this configuration. This leads to not only efficient and effective documentation, but also quality outcome reporting, critical to your organization's success. Be sure to save the keys prior to continuing on and repeating the steps for the next outcome. The values will vary based on each individual outcome. You may also choose to add from template in the event you have key rule templates configured. Please see the corresponding course to learn more about key rule templates. For any questions, please contact support by going to Options, Support, and Contact Support.